Hey guys, and I wanted to do a tutorial today, and so I'm gonna show you how to hem these pants, or hem any pants in general. And I already measured where I want the length of my pants to be, and I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Okay, I have the pants on right now, don't mind the feet, but yeah, they're just way too long, as you can see when I lift my leg up. And I'm gonna repin the pants to how long or how short I want them to be. Okay, as you can see, I hem the pants where I want it to be, right slightly above the ankle joint. And I'm sitting down right now, but when I stand up and adjust my setting of the pants, you can see that it's very level right now. Yeah, these pants were ridiculously long. My mom bought them, so it's about 36 in length, so that's why. I'm usually about a 30 in my inseam, and so yeah. I just need to make sure to measure this part and also measure the hem, and I'll show you guys how to do that next. Okay, so what we need is a measuring tape, or you can use a ruler, and we're gonna measure out the total length that we're cutting off. So I'm gonna measure from the inseam of the pants. So measure both sides, and they are both 5.5. Next, we're gonna measure the hem of the pants, which is the folded part, and it is about 3/4, I would say. So once you get those measurements, you want to write them down on a piece of paper. Can be any piece of paper, doesn't matter. So you're just gonna do 5.5, and 3/4 was our hem, but since we have to fold it over twice, we're gonna subtract that from the total length. And for my instance, it was 3/4, which was the length of my hem. That doubles to 1.5. So in total, what we actually need to cut off is about 4 inches. Because we measured the total length, which was 5.5. Our hem was 3/4, so we double that to 1.5, and then we subtract both of them to get 4 inches. So 4 inches is the total amount we need to cut off for these pants. So just remember, measure out your inseam, make sure they're the same. Mine is 5.5. The hem, 3/4, double that, that's 1.5, and you subtract 5.5 from 1.5 to get the total amount you need to cut off. Okay, so I'm gonna measure out 4 inches, and I'm gonna mark that. Same on the other side. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my big ruler down and just cut straight across. Okay, so next, after we cut them off, we're gonna go to the iron. Okay, so we're at the iron right now, as you can tell. And what we're gonna do is measure out the hem, our desired hem length. And so mine was 3/4. Now you can use a seam gauge for this. It's pretty useful whenever you're trying to iron out a right measurement with the iron. And if you don't have that, you can just use a ruler. That's fine. And also half pins. We're going to be pinning this down. Okay, so we're going to just fold it up a bit. Oh, and make sure to have the pants inside out, since after this step we're going to start sewing. Okay, so first what you want to make sure is where the direction of the seam is going. So you have this one going this way and this one going the opposite way. So take note. And so we're just gonna fold this out, make sure it's the right measurement. 3/4, like so. Okay. You can do this step. I like to do it because it's convenient. You just want to do a finger press before you iron. So that way it can be nice and creased before you can start ironing. So check again, 3/4. Okay. Next, grab some water. Or if your iron has water inside, you can use that as well. But just spray it down. And next, you iron. Just leave it there for about 10 seconds. And so, yeah. You want to keep it nice and crisp when ironing your hem. So there you go, nice and crisp. And we're going to do it on the other side as well. Make sure to measure out your desired hem length. Mine is 3/4. Give it a good finger press. Spray it with water. And iron for about 10 seconds. Okay, after we iron it down, we're going to fold it again. And make sure that's 3/4. Or whatever your desired hem length is. So yeah, just fold it over. Give it a good finger press. Spray it with some water. And iron. And there we go. We have a nice, crisp, double fold hem. Take your pins and pin them. And then once we do that, we're going to take it to the sewing machine. Okay, I'm at the sewing machine. And next, what you want to do is stitch close to the edge as possible. And what I mean by that is, you see the edge right here, the folded edge, we're going to stitch right close to it. Hence, edge stitch. And so yeah, let's get started. And that's how you hem pants. Pretty easy, right? Well, I hope I can bring you guys more tutorials in the future. This was just the beginning of a series that I'm doing on loose threads. And I hope you guys are watching. I hope you guys loved the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And check out more videos on loose threads. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.